Welcome to Online Tools Master. Today, we're exploring Disappearing PNG Creator, the world's simplest online animated PNG, disappearing utility created by Browserling. This tool lets you upload any PNG image and instantly turn it into an animated GIF, where the image gradually vanishes using creative visual effects. To access this tool, open your browser, search online pngtools.com, and head over to Disappearing PNG Creator. Inside the tool, you'll find options to choose the disappearing method, such as smooth fade out. You can define the background color, add and customize a text message with font, size, line height, bold or italic styling, set the total animation duration, choose the number of frames for smoothness, configure loop settings, and select the transparency processing color for GIF export. Now, let's see 3 examples in action. Example 1. Disappearing dog with mosaic effect. Here is the input where we uploaded a cheerful PNG image of a golden poodle. The output displays a fun mosaic-style animation. To achieve this, we selected block mosaic removal as the disappearing method, kept the background color transparent, left the text message empty, set the animation duration to 6 seconds, and used 25 frames for a smooth transition. The loop option was set to repeat forever, and we chose red as the transparency processing color. Here is the final animated GIF, and once it looks perfect, click Save as to download it. Example 2. Animated, quote with smooth fade. Here is the input where we uploaded a PNG containing the phrase, "Time will tell." The output produces a smooth fading animation where the original quote gradually disappears, revealing the words "the truth" underneath on a dark background. For this result, we selected smooth fade out, set the background color to #120F10, and added the text message "the truth" in bright yellow, #EEAE09, using the impact font. The text size and line height were set to 140 for bold visibility. We configured the animation to run for 5 seconds with 40 frames to ensure a soft and visually pleasing transition. The GIF was set to repeat forever, and cyan was selected as the transparency processing color. Here is the final fading quote animation, and to download it, simply click Save As. Example 3. Fashion collection, banner with delayed disappear. Here is the input where we uploaded a PNG image of a stylish green handbag. The output creates a banner-style animation where the handbag remains fully visible for several seconds before disappearing and revealing the message "Be Bright" on a vibrant pink background. We achieved this by selecting Delayed Disappear, setting the background color to #F7007B, and adding the text "Be Bright" in RGB 82,255,100 using the Tahoma font. The text size and line height were both set to 100 for a clean promotional look. The total animation duration was set to 10 seconds with 2 frames, creating a long display time before the disappearance effect. The animation loops infinitely, and cyan was selected as the transparency processing color. Here is the final promotional banner animation, and once satisfied, click Save as to download your GIF. Before we wrap up, stay tuned for part 2 of this video, where we'll explore even more creative animation effects. Also, don't forget to check out our last videos on 2-Color Blender Part 1 and Digital Stamp Maker. Try the Disappearing PNG Creator yourself at online pngtools.com. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more quick and powerful tool tutorials.